Secret. Nice.
Today, we're going to talk about something that's very top secret. Something we've been learning about and talking about in the past. We've talked about agents of weathering, agents of erosion, and agents of deposition. Today, we're going to talk about another type of agent. Check it out. Mission Rockhound. So, what are some of the agents of weathering or erosion or deposition that you might have seen in that film? Who can name me one? Name me one.
Rust.
Rust, oxidation, absolutely. What's another one? A rill, good. Mason. Water. Water, what type of water did you see? Yeah, waterfall, yeah. Okay, what else? What did you see?
Plant growth.
Plant growth, okay, what else?
Animal burrows.
Animal burrows, good. Okay, do you want to see it again? We'll look for those agents of weathering, erosion, deposition. See what ones you got. Here we go. Shout it out, what do you see? What is that? Yeah, more waterfall. More waterfall. Animal burrows, yeah. The secret agent. Here's my top secret file. And you guys know I've been carrying this around for about a week or two.
Yeah.
Are you ready for your top secret file?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Look under your chair.
That was scary.
But wait a minute, yours is empty. Well, the cover is empty. So that's going to be your job, is to make it into something a little more decorative than that. Let's find out how. And you want to start off by taking out your instruction sheet, which is the green one that says Mission Rockhound. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, will be to locate two different examples of weathering, erosion, or deposition. You're going to have to take photographs. You need to write a brief description. And you're going to prepare your top secret file with all the details. One of the things you want to make sure you do is include you in the photo. Picture yourself next to whatever it is that you found. It's also kind of nice sometimes to take a close-up of the feature you're trying to show off. What might have caused that crack in the rock? What do you think?
Maybe plant growth?
Maybe what?
Plant growth?
Maybe plant growth? Ethan?
Maybe freezing thawing?
Maybe freezing and thawing? You're going to prepare your top secret file with photos and information about the things that you find. Okay? And when you finish, it should look something like this. Okay? So we'll talk about how to get there. All right? And again, you're following along on the green sheet that's got your directions. On your cover, you're going to have a creative title. Now, if I hold this up, my friends in the back can't see it, so what I did was I made a jumbo-size file folder of science. Here's my jumbo-size file folder of science. All right? But yours is going to be normal size. Here's my interactive. This is called a sliding pocket. We're going to learn how to make this today. This is a sliding pocket. It's got information on the front, and it's got pictures and information on the inside. I pull the tab, and it slides, and you see different bits of information.
Project is pizzazz.
Inertia is a property of matter. Pizzazz is a property of projects.
Do I look like Bill Nye?
Project. Project. Project is pizzazz. Pizzazz. Pizzazz.
One way to add pizzazz to your project is by making a sliding pocket. First, gather all your materials. Start with a sheet of cardstock that's 21.5 centimeters by 28 centimeters. First, measure 8.5 centimeters from the
We're
bottom.
going to do this in a minute.
And make a mark. Do that a second time, and repeat it a third time. Now you're going to connect your three marks by making a straight line with your ruler. This is going to be your cut line. You're going to carefully cut along that line. The small strip that you have left is your information strip. It should look something like this. This piece will be used to make the sleeve. Begin by folding it in half. Carefully match the ends.
Start by measuring 8.5 centimeters from one end of your sheet of paper, of cardstock. Now remember, when we're looking for centimeters, are the centimeters the little teeny lines or the bigger lines with the numbers next to them? Yeah, it's the great big lines with the numbers next to it. So you want to go to 8. If I want 8.5, how many of the little lines past the number 8 do I go to? 8.5 is how many? Yeah, 5, yeah. 8 centimeters right there, plus 5 more lines. Does anybody need help? Raise your hand. Okay. Everybody hold up your sleeve in one hand and your strip in the other. It looks like we're there. All right, so let's do the next step.